This is Bob Chambers, the Multimedia Guy, and in this video we're going to continue on looking at action items that you put with your hotspots in the PlayIt software. And so let's just add a hotspot here in this button, the second button, and we'll right click to assign the action. Now the action we want is way down in here, and it is going to be the display text of the day. So we click there, and first thing we want to do is we want to put in the title, and I'm going to call it tip of the day, and then we'll do a database. So this will be database, and database really is where you're going to store the information that you're going to be using. Here we have the decision of whether we want our tips to be random or sequential. So if we click here, they would be sequential. If we don't click there, then they'll be random. Now when we say random, let's just say you had 50 tips that you were going to be playing. It will randomly select from that group of 50. It will not repeat them. So after 48 selections, you'll only have 2 left, and it will randomly decide which 2 it's going to show, and then of course the last one is the last one. Once all 50 have been seen, then it will start over again from the beginning and go through on a random basis. Down in here we have where we put it, and of course here we have the background color that you'd be using. We will use this button here to actually enter the information. Let me just show you what that looks like. We're right here, so we'll put the first one in. Let's just put up is down, and we save that. Go over here and save it, and as you can see we have one record. Let's make a new one. And what is the difference? Question mark. Save that. Now we have 2 records, and we go to a new one, and we say over the rainbow, and save that. And now we can navigate between them using these buttons here. So here's the first one. Here's the next one. As you can see, we can go to the first one, the next one, the previous one, and the last one. We can decide to remove one by going over in here. Once we're finished, we can click there. And now what we do is we click on this. Here you can see we've got the button selected. We save this page, then we actually make the software. And then when someone was using the software, when they click on this button here, they will get the tip of the day. And this is what typically it would look like. So you can see this is the up is down one. This happened to be the first one, but it didn't have to be. And so that is the sequence. This is what it's like. Here you can see the yellow background. It could have been blue or red. And so that's how you do the tip of the day, or the text of the day.